Hi, what we're going to be looking at today is the Netgear GS205 5-port gigabit Ethernet switch as part of the Essentials edition. Right, now if we have a look around the box, what information do we have? Normal information about Netgear themselves, product specifications, forwarding mode, store and forward bandwidth, 10 gigabit per second non-blocking. That's actually not bad, it's better than what I thought. Forward rate is 1000 megabit per second port, so that's a gigabit. MAC address table size, energy efficient, heat dissipation, status LEDs for system power link and activity indicators per port. Netgear Ethernet switches provide an easy, reliable and affordable way to expand your network connections in homes and small offices. Auto MDI MDIX eliminates the need for crossover cables, LED indicators, auto negotiation. Right, okay, yeah, so basically it's a very basic switch. Why am I videoing it? Well, generally I tend to video everything I get, really, even if it's just something like this which is for just day-to-day running. Mainly I'm videoing this one because I wanted a little bit more information about this before I bought it. It was so cheap. Again, I think it was sub 20 quid from Amazon, and I just needed extra ports on my Switch, really. I didn't want to have to do a whole rebuild. You know, it was just a case of having something handy that I can plug and unplug. So let's open the box and see what we've got. Right, so we've got the Netgear information pack. Do I really want to open this? Yeah, it's just telling you what products they've got. I'm not even going to be bothered. The 300 and the 600 series can be wall mounted. This one is the GS205. I think that tells you something. So, what do we get in the box? Pretty much nothing. It's a very quick video, this, but it's important. So, what we're getting is the switch and the power supply. The power supply is 5 volt 0.7 amp, barrel connector standard size, and the smallest little network switch you could ever imagine. And this is one of the reasons why I got it. Again, 5-port, LED indicators, power ports 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can get similar in 8-port. Lots of companies do them, D-Link, but this one, as I said, Netgear, it was the right price. I didn't mind waiting a couple of days, it was fine. However, please note, no rear mounting available, so you can't wall mount it. However, it's a very, very flat surface, so a little bit of double-sided tape, stick it on your wall. It's not really that heavy. Just bear in mind, of course, that any stress or strain you've got on the cable, it might pull it down. But that's it. I mean, you know, like I said, it's a very, very quick video. I just wanted to throw something together. As I said, it's not particularly long. It's a very functional little switch, gives you those few extra ports. As I say, if you need it, you know, like if you've run out of ports on your cable provided, like, I don't know if you've got Virgin or Sky, well, not Sky, but BT. Well, you might have Sky, I suppose, with broadband these days. You know, you might want something like this just to expand your capability. I know most people use wireless these days, but you know, I've got 2 wireless access points in the house. I've got switches all over the place. I just wanted something for my desk, so this is what I got, which is, as I said, the Netgear GS205, and this is the V2. So anyway, like I said before, if you want to subscribe, great, thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of new videos, because I have had people say, I didn't know you had a new video out, just click the bell, and then you'll be notified and you'll get a reminder. But for now, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.